My name is Will French and I'm an Associate Veterinarian here at Littleton Equine Medical Center. I don't know that I could pinpoint it to one particular instance, but I always sort of grew up knowing that I wanted to be a veterinarian, and it just sort of fit who I am. So I love being outside, I love spending time with horses and horse people. I love the science of it also, and so all of that kind of coming together just sort of fits who I am. I don't know that I could pinpoint it to one particular thing, but if I had to narrow it down to two, number one would be my technician Haley, because she keeps me safe every day and keeps me on track, keeps me on time, and keeps me from making too many messes. And the second thing would be strong black coffee. I grew up in Fort Collins, and so I was lucky enough to go to both undergraduate and veterinary school at Colorado State University. My favorite horse health product is probably IWrap. I really like IWrap for a bunch of reasons, but the main ones are that it's really safe. So we draw the horse's blood and inject it right back into their joints after incubation, and so it's safe with minimal risk. But it's also a really potent anti-inflammatory, so it has a really strong effect on a horse's joints and their overall health, and it's a pretty cool technology. My wife and I have two horses. We have a paint horse named Scooter, and we have a Hanoverian named Phoenix. We also have a border collie named Jasper, and two cats whose names are Zephyr and Zeta. When I have some free time, I really enjoy riding my horses, especially in the mountains. I like to spend as much time as possible in the mountains, especially in the high country, high mountain lakes, things like that. I like to read when I can, and I'm a huge fan of the Denver Broncos. Certainly one of my most memorable experiences as a vet was soon after I finished my internship. I was called out to see a horse that was stuck halfway out a trailer window. Certainly a nervous moment for a new veterinarian, but everything turned out well in the end. The horse was fine, no people got hurt, we didn't even have to tear the trailer apart to get him out, so it was definitely a memorable one. My most treasured possession is probably my saddle. I was given a nice custom saddle as a graduation gift from veterinary school, and one of my roommates from college made the saddle, and I really enjoy riding it. I've actually been able to do it twice, but I've had the opportunity to go on 2 different veterinary service trips to Mexico, and I really look forward to that opportunity again to go back and do herd health, castrations, vaccinations, and really helped some underserved areas. I have a really difficult time saying no to my wife, which is a good thing. My wife is also known as Dr. Dietz, and she's pretty awesome, and so I have a difficult time saying no to her. I would really like to go skydiving, something I've wanted to do for a long time and just need to get up the guts to do it. Wouldn't say that I'm great at it, but I play the cello and have played sort of semi-professionally for a while, and enjoy doing it a lot. Probably when my wife said yes when I asked her to marry me.